Good morning, students. Today we are going to study one of the most important topic for IIT JEE or Neet exams, that is classification of organic compounds. Organic compounds are classified based on two main categories. The first one is acyclic or open chain compounds. Second one is of cyclic or closed chain or ring compounds. Ring compounds are further classified into two subcategories. The first one is of homocyclic compounds. The second one is of heterocyclic compounds. Homocyclic compounds are further subdivided into two categories. First one is of cyclic compounds, second one is of aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds are further subdivided into two categories. First one is of benzonoid compounds, second one is of non-benzonoid compounds. Let us study about each in detail. Acyclic or open chain compounds. These compounds contain open chain of carbon atoms in their molecules. The carbon chains may be either straight chain. Best example is of ethane, CH3 single bond CH3, or branch chains. The best example is isopentane. They are also called aliphatic compounds. Given below are few structures. First one is of ethane, second one is of isopentane, third one is of acetaldehyde, and fourth structure is of 3-methyl pentanoic acid, which is having methyl group at its third position, and attached with it is pentanoic acid. Next classification is of cyclic or closed chain or ring compounds. Cyclic compounds. These compounds contain a ring of three or more carbon atoms in them. They resemble aliphatic compounds in many of their properties. For example, cyclopropene, it is having three carbon atoms ring. Cyclobutane, but means four, so it is having four carbon atom rings. Cyclohexane, hexa means six, it is having six carbon atoms rings. And the last structure is of cyclopentene. Pent means 5, it is having 5 carbon atom rings. Now let us study about another compound, that is aromatic compounds. These have a cyclic system containing at last one benzene ring. The parent member of the family is called benzene. Benzene has a homocyclic hexagonal ring of 6 carbon atoms with 3 double bonds in the alternate positions. Some of the example of various types of aromatic compounds are benzene. The next structure is of aniline. It is similar to that of benzene but having NH2 group attached with it. The last structure is of phenol. It is similar to that of benzene but having OH functional group attached with it, which makes it phenol. These compounds are also called benzonoid compounds and they exhibit special property known as aromacity. Bicyclic and tricyclic compounds also belong to this category. Bi means two, we all know. So naphthalene is having two benzene rings, so it is called bicyclic compounds. The next structure is of anthracene. Tri means three. Anthracene having three benzene ring attached with it, so it is called tricyclic in nature. Dear student, now let us look at one of the most important topic for IIT JEE or NEET, based on which most of the questions are frequently asked. In addition to these, there are some compounds which show aromacity but do not contain any benzene ring. I repeat, it shows aromacity but do not contain any benzene ring. So it's an exceptional. These are called non-benzonoids, and we all know that exceptional cases are frequently asked in IIT JEE exams in MCQ format. For example, tropolone is one of the best example for non-benzoate compounds. Now let us study about another compound, that is heterocyclic compounds. In this compound, the ring contains one or more atoms of either nitrogen, oxygen, or sulfur in addition to the carbon atoms. The atom other than carbon, such as nitrogen, oxygen, and sulfur, present in the ring is called heteroatoms. For example, pyrrole, furan, pyridine are among the few examples of such compounds. That's all for today. Dear students, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. In the form of support, if you want to support me, you can Google Pay or Phone Pay at the number provided below, that is 8380855027. Thank you so much student, and best of luck